control. You'll be surprised to see even the gentlest creatures unleash their power. Join WOW TV to explore the displays of animal power in today's video.
Okay.
The card game got the bull angry. The lesson learned is not to interfere in the food battle of hippos. They were conducting a program to learn about farm animal life.
Oh, jeez, freeze.
But the llama wasn't too keen on this unfamiliar guest's presence. Keeping tigers as pets in the UAE is quite common. But remember, playing with fire will get you burned. Thankfully, he was safe. This scene was captured 7 years ago, back when drones weren't popular. Thanks to survival skills, the cameraman stayed safe.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Faced with the man's provocation, the gorilla issued a warning. The intruder was taken aback by the appearance of the guard ostrich. Don't act like him unless you can hit 45 miles per hour. Oh no! The camera's click set off the octopus. Relax, the diver just wants to observe you. What a mischievous creature. The noisy crowd made the buffalo go berserk and vent its anger on its handler. An elephant was going wild in Artham Village, India. Your best bet was to run as fast as you can away from that angry giant.
Man, I gotta start playing together. Fetch!
Remember, never leash two dogs together. Bath time, Stinky! Nightmare for everyone riding a horse. Oh, now even the horse itself.
I wrap that gear. He ain't gonna do it nothing. He ain't gonna do it nothing. You can't do nothing. You can't do it nothing.
Tranquilos. No, tranquilos.
Instead of a warm welcome, he was cornered by the pack of dogs.
No. Porque la situación es un poco. Mira Roberto.
There was no other choice. The report had to end there.
Old. Very nice.
A wild boar stormed into the city and went on a rampage against the school guard. The security team needs to get this misbehaving student back to where it belongs.
Okay, here, baby, can you film this?
I wonder if this is the one that's... Look at his mouth. He's like doing stuff. Whitney, you are not helping the situation.
Okay.
You're right. A leopard caused chaos in an Indian village for 7 hours, scaring many residents. Fortunately, they successfully teamed up to capture the aggressive animal. What a terrible mistake for the seal to think the cameraman was its food. The only way to become the king of the ants is...
Unbelievable.
Well, thieves are everywhere in the world, and in Costa Rica, it's a raccoon. The man had an unexpected encounter with a puma. It warned him that this wasn't a place he could roam freely.
No! No! Go away! Go away! Please go away!
Oh no, so dangerous! Leopards frequently move into the village searching for food. The villagers tried to catch it, but they didn't succeed.
Somebody?
What does it feel like to encounter the ocean's top predator? This would be the most valuable footage in their careers. When going on a safari tour, remember these things. First, never touch wild animals. Second, always record any damage to report to the insurance company.
He's gonna fight.
Always show respect to all the animals in the zoo. If not, be prepared for situations like this. You shouldn't sit so close to the panda enclosure like that. It might snatch your jeans jacket. It's definitely a bad idea to challenge such a muscular animal.
Welcome back to Grandma's house. He's choking me out. Welcome back to...
That was what I was looking for.
He brought home a fresh meal for his beloved pet. That was certainly not the right way to say thank you.
Now it's my turn.
We feed it.
He claims it's friendly.
It's not. It gets vetted by there's a vet on the thing. Look, see.
He's probably wrong. Their tour became much more interesting thanks to a chase with some very special staff members.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sorry.
Why'd you do that?
The doggo was trying to tell people that material things do not matter in life.